in the process of buying a house with my fiance. So, sorry, that probably looked a little weird. So yeah, I have a garage now. What I just walked out of is the enclosed part, and then we've got a carport there. Basically, the enclosed part's like a 23 by 11 and a half, 23 and a half by 11 and a half. So that is gonna be where all of my videos are gonna be made from now on. I also have to mow, clean the vehicles, clean the garage that I now own with my fiance. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff, so let's get to it. Okay, so I know it's really messy. Thank you. I already saw that. First things first, new ceiling installed. I'm gonna try something. So we are gonna do the turbo spray paint cans, and I think it's gonna work. So I gotta go buy one. I'm gonna do matte black because I'm cool, and I'm just gonna hit an area and see if it works. Now you're probably wondering, why did you do plywood? One, I don't have any money. One of the cheapest options. Two, birds, the rafters were exposed, so if there was any bird that came in here, it just pooped on my toolbox. So wasn't a huge fan of that. So we're gonna get this going. I gotta start cleaning this like now. I also have a new pressure washer that I really have to clean the truck with and make videos with because I got sent some snow foam wash, and then also there's like other things. I gotta make another video with the Carline black towel, a bunch of stuff. Okay, I got this half sweeped out. Still gotta clean the windows. Still gotta sweep out this entire half. But for me to sweep out this half, I've gotta move all the tools here. So, here's my plan. Toolboxes are gonna go here. Storage here. S10 right where I'm standing, but all the way back. LS swap. Yeah, okay. I've had this thing for about a month because we were buying a house, and now I'm gonna finally open it and put it together and wash this thing. Okay, put together. Time to wash the vehicle. Pretty good. Now I just gotta dry it.